Okay, this is our next example here. Prove that determinant of 1a square, 1b square, 1c square is equal to a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay, so it is a 4 marks question here, asked in the July 2017 Karnataka PU board here. Okay, this is a very important example. All these examples are very important for the point of examination here. Therefore, take your determinant of one and 1 here. First column elements are, second column elements are a, b, c. Third column elements are a square, b square, c square here. Okay. If any row or any column like this 1 and 1 here, make two terms as a 0 here by subtracting each other. Okay. Here 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. This term becomes 0 here. Again 1 minus 1 becomes a 0 here. Hence this is a second row and this is a first row here. So R2 gives R2 minus of R1. Similarly R3 minus R1 here. So R3 gives R3 minus of R1 here. Okay. Therefore this is equal to determinant of here only second and third row changes here. Second and third row changes. First row keep as it is here. So write here 1, then a, then a square here. First row elements keep as it is here. R2 minus R1 here. Here 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. This is a 0 here. Then b minus a. So write here b minus a. Then b square minus a square. B square minus of a square. Again R3 minus R1 here. 1 minus 1 is a 0 here. Then C minus A. Then C square minus A square here. C square minus of A square here. Okay. Then this is equal to determinant of first two columns write as it is here. So 1, then 0, and it is a 0. Okay. Next second elements are a, then b minus a, then c minus a. Then write here a square, b square minus a square. Here you know a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Hence b square minus a square is b plus a into b minus a, and c square minus a square is c plus a into c minus of a. Okay, write b square minus a square as b plus a into b minus a, c square minus a square as c plus a into c minus a. From second row you can take b minus a common here. From third row c minus a common factor. Okay, therefore take b minus a and c minus a common here. B minus a into this c minus a into determinant of. Again first element write as it is here 1 a square here. Here b minus a common factor. So remaining here 0. Then here 1 and here b plus a. Remaining element b plus a. So similarly here c minus a common here. Therefore remaining element 0, 1 and c plus a. Okay. Even you can make this term 0. Again 1 minus 1 becomes a 0. Okay. This is the third row and this is the second row. So R3 gives R3 minus of R2. Okay. Only third row changes here. So first and second row write as it is. B minus a into c minus a. B minus of a into c minus a into determinant of 1 a square. So write here 1 A and A square here. Then 0, 1, B plus A. So 0, 1 and B plus A. Then R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. Then 1 minus 1 is also 0. Then C plus A minus B plus A. Here A and minus A cancels here. Then remaining here C minus B. Okay, these are C minus of B. Okay, R3 minus R2 means this minus of this here. Here A and A cancels, remaining only C minus D. So there is a property here. If elements are 0 is one side of the diagonal elements here. Here it is a diagonal here. If elements of one side of the diagonal elements are 0 here, means like this. Even suppose this side also. In that case, value of the determinant is the product of the diagonal elements here. Value of this determinant is the product of the diagonal elements here. Therefore, this is equal to B minus A into C minus A into C minus D. Okay, here these are the diagonal elements here. This side all the elements are 0 here. Then product of the diagonal elements here. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into C minus B is C minus B. It is the value of the determinant here. But observe here, A minus B is there. Here B minus A. So take a minus common factor from this bracket here. Minus is common, then it can be written as A minus B. Right in the bracket here. Next B minus C. Here C minus B is there. Here take minus common factor. Minus is the common here. Hence B minus of C. Bracket complete here. And C minus A, one here also C minus A. So keep as it is here. C minus A, write as it is. Okay. Then here minus and this minus becomes a plus here. Therefore A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. So this is our required result here, and it is a 4 marks question here. Very important example. Okay, the next example here. Determinant of 1 and 1 here. Second row elements are A, B, C. Third row elements are A cube, B cube, C cube is equal to A minus B into B minus C into C minus A into A plus B plus C. Even this is also 4 marks question here. Asked in your March 2016 Karnataka PU board here. Okay, such type of examples are very important here. Every year there will be one example in the annual examination here. Okay. Even just like a previous example here, if any row and any column, if elements are 1, 1 and 1 like this here, then make 2 terms zeros here by subtracting here. Okay. Therefore, here first elements 1, 1 and 1 here. Second row elements A, B, C. Third row elements A cube, B cube and C cube here. A cube, B cube, C cube. Third row elements here. Then these are elements in the columns here. Means 1, 1 and 1. These are in the first, second and third column. Yes, R2 minus R1 here. Oh, sorry, C2 minus C1. C2 gives C2 minus C1. And C3. C3 gives C3 minus of C1 here. Okay. Therefore, only second and third column changes here. First column elements keep as it is here. So determinant of so 1 A, then A cube here. Okay. Then second column minus first column here. 1 minus 1 is 0 here. This is 0. B minus A. Then right here B minus A. B cube minus A cube here. B cube minus of A cube. Again C3 minus C1 here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0 here. Then C minus A. C minus A. C cube minus C cube here. C cube minus of A cube here. C cube minus A cube. Okay. So second column minus first column here 1 minus 1 is a 0, then b minus a, then b cube minus a cube. Again 1 minus 1 is a 0, then c minus a, then c cube minus a cube. Okay, therefore this is equal to first column element write as it is 1 a and a cube here, 1 a and a cube keep as it is. Then 0, second element, column elements are 0, then b minus a here. This is a b minus a. So again use a basic formula. B cube minus a cube is a b minus a into b square plus ba plus a square. Okay, this is a formula. B cube minus a cube is b minus a into b square plus ba plus a square. Then again third column elements are 0. Then c minus a, c minus a. Then c cube minus a cube is c minus a into c square plus ca plus a square. Okay, it complete here. Here from second column here b minus a common, from third column c minus a common. Therefore this is equal to b minus a into c minus a common factors and determinant of 1 a cube here. First column elements are 1 a cube. Second column elements we are taking b minus a common here. Hence remaining elements are 0 and here 1 and here remaining term b square plus ba plus a square. B square plus ba plus a square. And here c minus a common factor. It is a common here. So remaining elements are 0, then 1 c square plus ca plus a square here. C square plus ca plus a square. Okay. Then again make this term 0. C3 minus C2. Okay. C3 gives C3 minus C2. Therefore this equal to b minus a into c minus a into determinant of only third column changes here. So the first and second column element keep as it is here. 1 a and a cube here. First column elements 1 a cube. Second column elements are 0, then 1 b square plus ba plus a square here. Then 0 minus 0 becomes 0 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then this term minus this term here. So look here. So c square plus ca plus a square here. Then minus of b square plus ba plus a square. So b square plus ba plus a square. Okay. Now take a minus inside the bracket here. So therefore c square plus ca plus a square minus b square minus ba minus a square here. Then the plus a square and minus a square cancels here. Then c square minus b square is there. So right here c square minus of b square, then plus ca minus ba, ca minus of ba. First right here c square minus b square, then plus ca minus of ba. Then from first two terms here, from these two, c square minus b square is c plus b into c minus b. C square minus b square is c plus b into c minus b. Then plus from these two terms here, a common here, a is the common factor, and then remaining here c minus of b. Then c minus b. Hence here c minus b, here also c minus b. Therefore C minus B into, then write C plus B plus A. Okay, C plus B plus A. Hence, if you subtract these two here, okay, then we get C minus B into C plus B plus A, or A plus B plus A. Yes, so you can write here C minus B into bracket A plus B plus C. Okay, here C plus B plus A is nothing but A plus B plus C. Again, these are diagonal elements here. Okay, here one side diagonal elements are 0, 0. All these elements are zeros. Then direct multiply the diagonal elements here. Hence, this is equal to B minus A into C minus A into this is C minus B here. C minus B into bracket A plus B plus C. Therefore, this equal to, just observe here, here A minus B is there, but here B minus C. And here B minus C, but here C minus B here. So take a minus common here. Just take a previous example. You take here minus common factor, even here also minus common here. Minus into minus become plus, then you can write here A minus B into B minus C, and this is C minus A, write as it is. C minus A into A plus B plus C. So this is our required result here. It is a 4 marks question here. Okay. Okay. Next example here. So that minus A square AB AC BA minus B square BC CA CB minus C square is equal to 4 into A square B square C square. Okay. Therefore, this is given a determinant here. You take A common factor from first column here, B from second column, C from third column here. Okay. Therefore, taking out A comma B comma C common from C1, C2, C3 respectively. Okay, take care A common from first column, B common from second column, C common from third column here. Therefore, this equal to, right here A, B, C outside here, into determinant of, here A common here, so minus of A, then B, and here C here. Here B common factor, so right here A, then minus of B here, then plus C. And here C common factor, therefore right here A, then B, then minus of C here. Okay. Even here also from first row A common, second row B common, third row C common here. Therefore, so taking out ABC common from R1, R2, R3 respectively. Therefore, A into A become A square, B into B become B square, C into C becomes C square here. Hence, A square, B square, C square into determinant of. Here A common here, so minus 1, 1 and 1 here. Here B is the common factor, so 1, minus 1 and 1 here. And here C is the common factor, so right here 1, 1 and minus of 1 here. Okay. Next, make these two terms 0 here by adding. Okay. So R2 gives take care column here. C2 gives C2 plus C1, and C3 gives C3 plus C1 here. Therefore, this equal to A square B square C square into determinant of. Here minus 1, 1 and 1 keep as it is. For first column elements keep as it is. Then this plus this here. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. This is a 0 here. Then 1 minus 1 is a 0 here. This becomes a 0. Then 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. It is a 2 here. Okay, is equal to 2. So similarly, here minus 1 plus 1 is a 0 here. Then 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. So this is a 2 here. Then 1 minus 1 is a 0. So this is a 0. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now we expand the determinant here. Hence this is equal to a square b square c square into minus 1 is there. So minus 1 into bracket 0 into 0 becomes a 0 here. Minus of 2 into 2 becomes a 4. Bracket complete here. Then minus of 0 here. 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Minus of 1 into 2 becomes a 2 here. And again 0 is there. So plus 0 into bracket. 1 into 2 is a 2 here. Minus of 1 into 0 becomes a 0. Therefore this is equal to a square, then b square, then c square into, here minus 1 into minus 4 becomes a plus 4 here. Then this is 0. 0 to any term is 0. And 0 into any term is 0 here. Therefore 4 into a square, b square, c square. 4 into a square, b square, c square. So this is our required result.